In this video, we're going to work on the ALEKS problem called Sketching the Line of Best Fit. This problem is going to give us a scatter plot with some data points. It's telling us what the data represents, but honestly, it does not really matter to solve the problem. It wants us to draw the line of best fit for the data points, and if that makes you a little bit panicky, notice here it says it doesn't have to be the exact line, just do your best. And I have found that ALEKS is pretty forgiving when you draw your line of best fit through this data. It just wants you to show something that shows the general trend of the data, like just kind of following the path of the data, something that looks like that. Not like this, not like this, not like this. We just want something that follows the trend of the data. Now to draw the line, we're going to be using this line drawing tool in ALEKS over here. So let's actually go to ALEKS and we're going to look at, this is a different problem, not the same problem, but the same idea. It's just got different data. It wants us to draw a line of best fit for this data. To do this, we're going to click on the line drawing tool, and notice that it wants us to find or place the first point. So I'm just going to pick a point that is up kind of high in the graph, and this is actually, I'm doing this on an iPad, and it is not, ALEKS really doesn't like iPads. So I've got one data point, or one end of my line selected up high, and now I'm going to attempt to place the second point. Ooh. Somewhere down here like that. Now this is going to be a lot easier if you're using a computer with a keyboard and a mouse instead of using an iPad, but that's the general idea. If you didn't like the way that your line turned out, you can edit it a little bit, or you can use the eraser over here to just completely delete it, which I am not going to do. I'm just going to say, hey, let's have a look at that line. And you can see that even though it wasn't perfect, it's still good enough for ALEKS. It just wants to see the general trend of the line.